Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down to localize this ringtone and sound, and as you can see, the phone ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which means that you can set separate ringtones for the first SIM card and for another one. So this eSIM. So let me show you how to do it using this one. It doesn't matter. After tapping on the SIM card, on the phone ringtone actually, we will have this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of this list, we've got this option Add Ringtone. And after tapping on it, we can open our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to tap on it. Don't tap on it, yes, and set it as a ringtone. However, if you wish to choose something from pre-installed ones, simply tap on the ringtone and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend, maybe it's a little bit too loud. So let's pretend I wish to set this natural. So just mark it and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.